For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to make your flashlight brighter or dimmer. Okay, I have it right now set up, and I can't show you, to have to stop the recording, but preface, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is going to work on any of the Samsung devices with a flashlight, with your ability to turn on the flashlight. Okay, so I have mine set up where I press and hold the power button and the flashlight comes on. I wish you could see it, but you can't. And it's as bright can be. So this is the brightest setting that I have on the power button. Now, for example, if I don't want it that bright and I want to look at something and I don't want it blaring super bright, there's a way to change your brightness. And the way to do that is go down into your control panel and open it up. And I made a setting, a quick setting, where the very bottom here, second from the right, you'll see the flashlight. When I turn it on, it's as bright as can be. Okay, if I tap and hold it, now we get this. It says, the camera light may cause low temperature burns when prolonged contact with the skin. Avoid leaving flashlight turned on for an extended period. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different settings. So now that's actually a very, very dim bright, but that's cool, because if you want that and you're in a dark room, that's going to be pretty bright instead of blinding. You can set that, but again, it's only on your setting on the side of the, it's only on this, not the setting on your phone on the side of the phone with the power button. And I've set that up through a Good Lock app, which I've done a video on. I'll try to get a link in the description and show you where I don't actually go to the control panel. Okay, so sorry about that. I killed my recording after I just found out I was talking to myself for about 2 minutes. So what I think I didn't cover is the tapping and holding of the power button gets you the brightest setting possible for your flashlight versus scrolling down again. You have the flashlight here, you can tap and hold it. You can change your brightness here from lower to higher. And it's a neat way to have it. I do both. I do, if I want the dimmer flashlight, I'll obviously go into this part and I'll go in and go to the dimmer flashlight if I ever want dimmer. Most times you have a flashlight, you want it pretty bright, but when you're really in something really dark, you don't want it to be super bright, especially if there's a person involved or something like that. You want it semi-dim. So the only way to get to that is to put the shortcut in your settings panel here, quick settings. So if I want to turn my flashlight off, I have mine set up with two things. I have mine set up with tap and hold the power button, turns on the flashlight, and then double tap turns on the camera. I think that's where I might have killed the video, was when I double tapped it. But anyway, those are two of the most important things I think on the camera that I need access to right away, is the flashlight and then the camera. So I have those set to the power button as quick actions. So anyway, that's my video on how to make your flashlight dimmer. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.